Bhavish, are you ready for level 1 test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. 66 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 minus 60.
120.
Very good. Clapping for Bhavish. Next question. 69 plus 4 plus 9
Plus 9
plus 8
plus 8
minus 80.
minus 80. 10.
No. Do it again. 69
69
plus 4
plus 4
plus 9
plus 9
plus 8
plus 8
minus 80.
110.
Very good. Clapping. Last question. 30 minus 6 plus 7 minus 19
minus 19.
plus 80. 18.
130.
Very good. Clapping for Bhavish. Clapping. Well done.